Wait a minute, wait a minute. Y'all really been putting hydrogen peroxide on your face? Well, I can't talk myself because guess what? I've done it too. But beautiful babes, y'all, we need to talk. And we need to talk right now.
Yeah. Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin.
Hey, beautiful babes. It's Sweet Angel. And we're talking about something today that's been going viral, but could be damaging your skin without you even knowing it. This right here, hydrogen peroxide. Okay, listen. Now I know hydrogen peroxide has been around forever. People use it for cuts, cleaning wounds. So it sounds like it should clean your skin too, right? But here's the truth. Hydrogen peroxide is actually too harsh for your face. It doesn't just kill bacteria. It also damages healthy skin cells. It breaks down your skin barrier and causes dryness, irritation, and even premature aging. And if you're over 50 or 60 like me, your skin is already more delicate. It's thinner and needs more moisture, not less. So hydrogen peroxide on your face, that can lead to increased wrinkles, dry, dull skin, slower healing, sensitivity, and irritation. But don't worry, beautiful babes. I got you, because we're not walking around here confused. We are glowing. Instead of hydrogen peroxide, try these gentle cleansers that are hydrating and non-stripping. How about aloe vera for soothing? Or perhaps honey for natural antibacterial benefits. And I love even rose water for refreshing the skin. And even a little vitamin C or turmeric blends for brightening. Now these will give you glow without the damage. That's how you get that smooth, radiant skin and grown woman glow. Oh, if you almost tried this, go ahead and hit that like button because I just saved your skin. And listen, make sure you have subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, subscribe, because we are keeping it real over here. No gatekeeping. All right, beautiful babes. That's all I have for you today in this video, but I believe it was a doozy. So stay glowing, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.